Hey guys, so I just wanted to hop on here to show you guys how the wig looked when I first took it out of the packaging. So this is straight out of the box. This is how the color looked. The wig came styled with like some nice curls, but of course I like brushed them out. So I wasn't really feeling the color. It wasn't what I was expecting, so I ended up transforming it into something different. And y'all, I know I have the biggest stink face going on right now. Like, I look like a total bitch. But I just want to let y'all know that it was super late when I was filming these videos. It was like 3 in the morning. And I was just really tired. So don't think I'm just like looking super mean for no reason. I was just tired, okay? Yeah, so this wig was sent to me by RPGSHOW. This is the box that the wig came in. Super cute, sleek, black packaging. Inside the box, this is what the wig came in, which is really nice because your wig is nice and protected in the sleeve, and when you take it off, you can just store it back in here. 2 stocking caps. I really like this color. I think this is a beige color. This is the color of wig cap that I wear. I feel like this one suits my skin tone best. You also get, what is this? You get an elastic band, so if you want to attach this to your wig to make it sit a little tighter on your head, they include that. So the specific details on this wig, it comes with a wig description card, so I'm just going to be reading directly from this. So the name of this wig is Pinkney 003. The texture of the hair is silky. I have her in 20 inches. The hair color is the hair color in the picture. So cap size, I got 1. Cap construction, I got cap B, which is a lace front wig. Density is 200%, and the color is a light brown. Yes, so this is how the wig looks. Now, the wig did not come like this. I showed you guys in the first clips how the wig originally came. It was cute, but I wasn't really feeling the color. So this is what the wig looks like on the website. I was expecting the color to be like a little bit more gingery, and it just looked like a really weird like salmony orange color, and I wasn't really feeling it. I feel like it really didn't do anything for my skin tone, so I ended up changing the color. What I did to get this color, all I did was bleach the hair. So I bleached the back of the hair because, as you guys saw, the back of the wig was like a brown color, and also bleached the roots because I did not like how much dark roots the wig had. The roots were like all the way down to here, and I wasn't really feeling that. So I bleached the roots, I bleached the back of the wigs, and I bleached a little bit of the hair in the front. I used these 2 colors from Adore. This one is Cajun Spice, and this one is Paprika. So I used these 2 to I mixed these 2 together to get this color, and I did the boiling water method. So I put the color in a bowl of hot water, and I dipped the wig inside, and this is how the wig came out. I'm super happy with how it turned out. I think this color suits my skin tone way better, and it just looks so much more product. Let me stand up so you guys can see the wig with the length and everything. This is where the 20-inch falls on me. I would say it's pretty true to length. I would say it's also pretty true to density. This is 200% density, and the wig is very pretty thick. So far I haven't received any like shedding or tangling. The only shedding I received is from when I plucked the frontal, but other than that, shedding and tangling has been super minimal. The way that I styled this hair, I tried to attempt the wet and wavy look. One, because I did not feel like flat ironing this hair. I did not feel like putting any heat to this hair because I was up all night doing this color, and I was just too lazy to go on and flat iron it. So I was like, let me try the little wet and wavy look, and I really love the way it turned out. All I did to get this wet and wavy look is I took some water and I dampened the hair, and then I went in with some mousse. This is, ooh, what just got on my face. I went in with some mousse, and I raked this throughout the hair, and I just scrunched the hair up, and it gave me like this super natural like beach wavy effortless look. Thank you RPGSHOW for sending me this unit. If you guys are interested, I will have the link to this wig along with the coupon code for you guys if you're interested. I want you guys to leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of this color. Do you like the color now, or do you like the color it was previously before I colored it? So let me know what you guys think. As always, give me a thumbs up if you enjoy my video, subscribe because why not, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.